Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. Okay guys, let's get into today's vlog. Okay guys, I'm sad. My husband is traveling. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello. Hi everyone.
All right. Okay guys, so let's continue with our vlog. I just wanted him to say hello. Tell them to subscribe.
Thank you for being good fans to my wife. I really love what you guys are doing. Though I'm not a YouTuber anyway. Well, I really appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. Bye.
Alright guys, let's continue with our vlog.
I think I'm fine.
Okay guys, so this is the next day after my husband has traveled. It's a complete next day because I was so busy yesterday trying to help him before he left. So he did say hello to the vlog before when he was about to go. So he's traveled, so I'm just here alone with the children. Yeah guys, but anyway, I went to the range. Okay, I want to get a painting and some few things. I'm just going to be showing you guys the painting and what else did I got? The painting and I got a new floor mat for my garden door. The one there is gone, so I want to throw it away. So I'm just going to show you guys, and I got some few things to do in the kitchen. Yeah, just to complete this vlog really, because it's not a long vlog. I wanted to just capture when my husband was traveling, and I wanted him to say hello to you guys, and also just had some few things the following day because yesterday I couldn't do much. Okay, so I've taken out my hair, I've washed it, it's dry, but I just cover it because I combed it properly, but I think it has shrink too much, so I decided to just cover it. But anyway, if I get fed up of this, I will just take it off. So let me show you guys the painting I bought, and I'll tell you the price, and then also the carpet floor. I didn't buy much. I bought some Christmas stuff, but I'm not going to be showing you guys. Don't worry, I'm going to be doing a Christmas decoration haul for you guys to see all my little Christmas decorations that I'm going to be using for my tree and my home. Not a lot, not this way. I suppose the one for the trees is quite a lot. You know, all those little fancy bubbles or bubbles, what they call them, and just here and there little decoration. So I'll show you guys, but not on this vlog. Okay, it's a haul on its own. Okay guys, yeah, so let me show you guys the painting. Okay, let me just put my camera somewhere. I'll show you guys the painting. Okay guys, so this is the painting. It's quite cheap actually. I bought it for $13.99 in the range. You know, I always go there to buy my painting. I have a vlog coming up before this particular vlog, so that vlog would have gone up before this one. So you will see where I went to the range. I went to show you guys their Christmas stuff and some other stuff. Okay, so that's the painting. It's pretty, isn't it? Yeah guys, so that's the painting. I'm over here. Yeah, I like it, and it's only $13.99, which is really cheap, very cheap. And then I bought this one. I can't even, this is not a painting, this is for your floor. I want to change the one in my garden thing there. I want to change it to this one. That one is ripped. So I bought this one, but I can't even say the price unless I check my receipt. I got some other stuff in here. Okay, so I bought this biscuit. It was 2. I went with a Giro, so I bought 2. I gave her one is for Precious. And then I bought this funnel because I've been looking for a set of funnel. So I bought this funnel. There's 3 in there. Okay, let me just see if my receipt is here, and then I'll show you guys. I'll tell you guys how much I bought that. Okay, so I also bought this command sticker. I want to use it to hold something. Yeah, okay. So the rest is in the bag. It's my Christmas decoration, so I can't show you guys those yet. I'll show you guys, don't worry. Okay, so this is $4.99. That's $4.99. I don't think it's too bad for $4.99 though. What do you guys think? I don't think it's too bad for $4.99. And then the funnel, I'm trying to look for the price of the funnel, guys, don't mind me. If I, oh yeah, the £1.79. So this is £1.79. The biscuit was 60p. Yeah, the biscuit was 60p. This one was 60p. £1.79. And this command, when I was in the store, it was a bit difficult for me to find the price. Oh wow, the command mini hooks is £4.29, because there was one that said 8, but this is not 8 now. Is it 8? Every 1 2 3 4 5 6, or is there something else at the back of it? 6 7, maybe there's something else at the back of it. This is £4.29. Maybe there's, because there are other many things at the back of it, which I don't know if they are also useful, or if it just that is £4 something. Honestly speaking, if I 100% knew it's £4.29, I don't think I'll even get it. Oh my god, honestly, if I know it's £4.29, guys, I'm telling you the truth, I don't even think I'm going to pick it. I'll just drop it. Because I saw other ones there, but the price is so confusing, you know. But anyway, so I'll show you guys my Christmas stuff later. They are really cute. Yeah, very cute. Okay, so I bought, they are in there. I have a lot more, but they are upstairs. Okay guys, so I'll show you guys in another video, a separate video on its own. Guys, I'm going to be hanging a picture over there. As I say, this vlog is a short vlog. I don't want it to be too long. I'm not doing much. I just wanted to conclude the vlog because I just wanted my husband to say hi to you guys, you know, and I wanted him to thank you guys for me. So it's a short vlog. So I'm going to hang the painting over there, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like before I end this vlog. Okay, all right, so let me go and hang it. There's no one to hold the camera for me while I'm doing it, so I'm going to put it up there. When I finish putting it up there, I'll come and show you guys how it looks like. Okay, and you guys will tell me if you like it. It's only $13.99 anyway. All right guys, let's do that. Okay guys, what do you guys think? Does it look okay there? I'm thinking if I should switch the painting, like bring my big one that is in the living room, put it here. That one is very eye-catching, and take this one to my living room. I don't know, like I should bring that big one, put it here, and then put this small one in the living room. I'm confused. What do you guys think? Does it look okay here? Please leave me a comment and let me know if it looks okay here, or if I should add more smaller paintings to it. Anyway, let's leave it there for the meantime, or maybe if I change my mind, I'll bring the big one down. Let me go and bring the big one. It's just that the big one is wider than this one, and I don't know if the space will be the same, the length on top. Yeah, anyway, this is it. Maybe I should have taken it a bit up, no idea. Anyway, okay guys, so I'm going to be getting rid of this. Today is just a simple chill vlog day. Okay, so I'm going to be getting rid of this my floor carpet here. Let me show you guys. Let's put the camera here, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like. So this is the one I'm getting rid of. It's not like as if it's really ripped, but it's very, very good. I've washed, I've cleaned, I've done everything, but now where it has ripped somewhere there, I swear. So now it's not looking very okay anymore. Can you see that? And when you come from the garden, oh, it's not even okay at all. So what I want to do is put a new one on the floor there, just so I will show you guys before I put the new one. So I put a new one. I'll show you guys how the new one is looking like. Okay guys, so that's that one. It's a little smaller than the one I just took out. Yeah, I didn't even know that it's a little smaller than that one. But anyway, I'm just going to use it like that. Okay, I will show you guys how it looks like on the floor there. Yeah, okay guys. Okay guys, there isn't much I'm doing today. So I'm just going to like just tidy my table up a bit. Okay, just give it a bit of a clean. And yeah, that's all I'm doing in the kitchen. It's a bit too early to make lunch because Jiro didn't go to school today. That's why she's home, but they are going on holiday soon. Anyway, they are going on holiday soon, this week actually. Yeah, so that's why she she didn't go to school. She had a doctor's appointment, so we've gone already, came back already. I didn't want to take you guys along because it was a new GP place and I didn't know the place. I have to look for it. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. Nothing really much guys. So I'm just going to give my table a clean as I always do because it's a glass table, so you always have to clean it every time. My hair is here. I'm going to be making my hair pretty soon. Maybe I'll make it a little puff I always do before I go to the salon and make it again, you know. Yeah guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, wonderful day. Okay, yeah, so that's all there is to this vlog guys. I don't want to put so much. I just want it to be short, quick and nice. I hope you guys enjoy watching today's simple vlog. Not much going on. Okay, yeah, so I hope you guys like my painting. Yeah, okay guys, that's all I'm doing, unless you guys want to watch me clean my table. Which I'm sure you guys don't want to, because you see me clean my table a lot of times. The lighting sometimes have its own thing, have mind of its own. So guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video, my next vlog. All right guys, bye guys.